Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Baking Secrets by Anna. In today's video we are going to make berry yogurt popsicles. They are so easy to make and perfect for summer, so let's get started. In a food processor or a blender you will add the ingredients. We have yogurt, mixed berries, you can use either frozen or fresh berries, vanilla, and honey. You will mix this on high until everything is well incorporated. Our mixture is nice and smooth, and I will transfer it into a measuring cup so it will be easier to pour it into the forms. Pour the mixture into the measuring cup. You can also put it directly from the blender or the food processor, but it's easier to put it into a measuring cup first, so it will be easier to pour. I will be using silicone popsicle molds, and now it's time to put our mixture. Tap your tray on the countertop to make your ice cream smooth on top, and release any air if there is any. Now it's time to put your sticks. This mixture makes about 8 popsicles. Our ice creams are ready to go into the freezer, and you will chill them for 3 to 4 hours until they are solid. Our ice creams are nice and chilled, and it's time to remove them from the silicone mold. Gently press the silicone mold and remove the ice cream. Our berry and yogurt popsicles are ready. Make sure to give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section below if you like it or not. You can find all of the tools I use in the description box below. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next week's video.